Guys, a quick, easy, simple, economical idea to enjoy Sunday afternoon is to prepare this lunch with onions, tomatoes chopped up, some lettuce, shredded cheese. I've got this avocado smashed up, which actually has some salt, pepper, and lemon juice mixed in. I've also got red kidney beans mixed in with vegan ground round mix, and this will be my source of protein. So for Sundays, to keep it really simple, we eat tacos sometimes, and we love making our own tacos. So prep all these ingredients, put them in a big bowl so you are not cleaning up 20 different bowls, and yeah, get some corn tacos from your local grocery store. I usually get a pack of like 10 to 14, I think, small ones, and it's like $3-4, I believe. And if we can fill it, we can make our own tacos, fill it with the things we personally prefer. Kids have their own choices. I like to season mine with some hot sauce on top as well, hint of cheese and all these veggies, and ground round mix with the beans, so we'll get good protein. And it's so easy to put together, and everyone loves creating their own tacos with different, you can put different sauces on top if you like. And these corn tacos are soft ones, but hard shell ones work very well too. Yeah, so if you want to keep things really simple on a Sunday afternoon, go ahead and prepare or have your own ritual of tacos. So this is the hot sauce. I personally like sprinkling on top of my tacos for a little bit of hint of spice, but green chilies, if you have need for more spice, you can use that. Sprinkle some paprika on top of your cheese, and there you go, fresh, easy, quick, delicious lunch. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you again with another tasty lunch idea.